Welcome back to Motor Minds. Today, we're diving into a car that's more than just a new BMW, it's the beginning of a revolution. This is the 2025 BMW Neue Klasse, a name that pays homage to the past but is packed with cutting-edge tech, next-gen design, and a promise of ultimate driving pleasure in the electric era. So, let's see if BMW has truly redefined the future. BMW is calling this the Neue Klasse, but make no mistake, this isn't just another EV. The new design language is bold, featuring a sleek silhouette, an illuminated kidney grille, and futuristic LED lighting signatures. Aerodynamics are key here, with flush door handles and a sloping roofline that screams efficiency. These 21-inch aerodynamic wheels, not just for style, they reduce drag and improve range. And check this out, no traditional door handles. A simple touch and the door glides open. Step inside, and it's clear BMW is going all in on minimalism and tech. A massive panoramic vision display stretches across the dash, paired with a next-gen iDrive system. Buttons, almost non-existent. Everything is controlled via voice, touch, or even gestures. Watch this, I can adjust the AC just by waving my hand. Pretty slick, right? And this ambient lighting isn't just for aesthetics. It reacts to driving modes, navigation cues, and even driver emotions. BMW calls it an immersive experience. We call it next level. BMW promises this isn't just another electric car, it's a true driver's machine. The Neue Klasse debuts BMW's 6th Gen eDrive tech, offering up to 600 horsepower and a 0 to 60 time under 4 seconds, depending on the variant. The steering is sharp, the suspension is adaptive, and the weight distribution perfectly balanced. This is still a BMW at heart. Instant torque makes acceleration effortless, and thanks to regenerative braking, one-pedal driving is smooth and natural. In range, up to 375 miles on a charge, with ultra-fast 800 volts charging, meaning 10 minutes at a DC fast charger gets you over 200 miles. That's game-changing. So, has BMW truly redefined the ultimate driving machine for the electric era? With stunning looks, cutting-edge tech, and a driving experience that still feels uniquely BMW, the Neue Klasse is more than just a car, it's a glimpse into the brand's future. And from what we've seen today, that future looks very exciting. What do you think? Is the Neue Klasse the EV we've been waiting for? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more from Motor Minds. See you in the next one.